sun is fading nice and slow, children laughing down the road, neighbors waving as they pass, another evening made to last.
The breeze is dancing through the trees, carrying simple memories. No hurry now, nowhere to go, just watching another sunset glow.
Remember when we had so little,
still our hearts felt just as full.
plastic chairs and homemade juice,
Nothing fancy, nothing new,
yet somehow those were golden years, filled with laughter, hope and prayer. Funny how the richest days never came with higher pay. Let's slow down,
let's breathe again.
let's
Remember where we've been. Front porch conversations,
where memories begin,
sharing dreams and laughter.
again and again.
No fancy destination, no perfect view, just me,
Just you,
front porch conversations.
oh, yeah. Hey. Every wrinkle tells a tale, every victory, every fail. Still we're sitting side by side.
Watching another evening sky.
Life moves faster every year.
That's why these moments feel so dear. Sometimes all a heart needs most is someone willing to sit close.
One more story,
One more smile,
one more memory.
stay a while.
The best things in this life are free when you're right here beside me. Front porch conversations, where